Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can delete a demo account on MetaTrader 5 in mobile. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 application. Then after that, go and click on the menu on the top left corner. And click on Manage Account. And as you can see here, I have two demo accounts. We have XNest Technologies and I have this one from MetaTrader 5. So let's say I want to delete this one. Click on it, click sign in. Now this is the main one. Click on the three dots on the top right corner, then click on delete account. So remember this, the account you want to delete must be the first one. So I think that you get the idea. Now click on delete account, click yes. So just confirm that this is the account 8418300. This is the one. Click yes. And as you can see, that demo account has been deleted. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.